Hello student. Today we learn the unit osmotic pressure of chapter 2 solution. Let us see first some definitions related to this topic. Osmosis. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the spontaneous flow of solvent molecules into the solution. Spontaneous यानी अपने आप होने वाला the spontaneous flow of solvent molecule into the solution or from dilute to concentrated solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. In order to understand this process, let us see this figure, the experiment. What is the experiment showing here? Here a container is taken and two different solutions of different concentration are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. Now there is the net flow of solvent molecule from dilute to concentrated or from lower concentration to higher concentration or from solvent to solution, means dilute to concentrate. This is the flow of the solvent through semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Now the next definition is osmotic pressure. What is osmotic pressure? As the name indicates, pressure means there is something pressure which stops the osmosis. The hydrostatic pressure that stops osmosis is osmotic pressure, which is indicated by the symbol pi of the solution. Now in order to understand the osmotic pressure, let us see the experiment. The arrangement of the apparatus is as shown in the figure. Here a Thiessen funnel is given which is inverted and at its neck a semi-permeable membrane is fitted, and the Thiessen funnel's bulging portion contains the sugar solution, means this is the solution, and the container is containing water, means that is the solvent, and it is inverted in position. Now what happens? The osmosis process starts. What is the osmosis? From dilute to concentrate, means from water to the sugar solution. The solvent molecule pass through the semi-permeable membrane. Naturally, the level of this sugar solution rises in this column, and after some time the process of osmosis just stops. That height of the column is the osmotic pressure that stops the osmosis. So how the osmotic pressure calculated? The hydrostatic pressure calculated as H rho into G. What is the meaning of H? H is this height of the liquid column. Rho is the density of the solution and G is the acceleration due to gravity. This is very simple term. Osmotic pressure means the pressure that stops the osmosis. Now let us see the another definitions: isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic solution. And as the name indicates, you can write definitions very easily. These are the very simple terms. First see the isotonic solution. What is isotonic solution? Iso means same. Same concentration means the isotonic. The two or more solutions having the same osmotic pressure or the same concentration are isotonic solution. What is hypertonic solution? Hyper, like hypertension, here hypertonic solution, which is related to pressure. If two solutions having unequal osmotic pressure, the more concentrated solution with higher osmotic pressure called hypertonic solution. Means these terms are relative terms. Comparison of two solutions, one having lower concentration, another having higher concentration. The solution having higher concentration is hypertonic with it, and the solution with lower concentration is hypotonic with it. Therefore, the definition of hypotonic is if two solutions having unequal osmotic pressure, the dilute solution with lower osmotic pressure called hypotonic solution. Let us take one example. The osmotic pressure of sugar solution higher than the urea solution. How can we say? The sucrose solution is hypertonic because sucrose having higher concentration to urea solution, and urea solution hypotonic to sucrose solution. Thank you.